into phase 3, step 3, because we've slashed inflammation, we have purged the pathogens, and now it's time to reseed, right? So as Krista would say, we've done the weeding and now we need to plant the seeds, okay? So we're also going to heal and seal the gut so that there is, we're preventing intestinal permeability because we don't want leaky gut, right? So we're going to rebuild the mucosal lining, and we are going to do that with mucosagen and lion's mane, which is, this is a mushroom, but so we're going to help rebuild and just seal that in so we can keep in that beneficial good bacteria, and then we need to feed the good bacteria, right? So now we're going to add in a probiotic, and we're going to basically add this so that everyone has a different microbiome makeup, so we catch different strains. We're not all the same, right? So it's going to be hundreds and hundreds of thousands of probiotics strains so that your body catches those few that are original to its blueprint. And we want to, again, reset it and remind it what that is, and also catch any that are in between. So pathogens are like the bad bacteria, and the probiotics are going to feed the good bacteria. And then you have these things called commensals, and these are like these neutral bacteria that are in there. So they're not bad, they're not good, they haven't really decided. They're kind of like teenagers, I guess you would say. So we're basically, now that we're in command, the good bacteria is in command because we have broken down those biofilms from the pathogens. Now we can have more of a powerful influence. We want to influence those commensals to help us out, right? So to be more supportive in our immunity and in our system and in our gut. So we're going to add in probiotics, and we're laying off of all the digestive enzymes now. Our body should be able to produce its own. We are going to continue the liver until the bottle is finished. And we are going to continue the biocidin, which is the botanical that helps support any symptoms related to, infections, virals, bacterial, parasites, fungal, basically anything that's just hidden in the deep layers of the intestine. We still just want to make sure that those toxins are being released through the bowels. That about covers the supplement protocol. There isn't any in, so that's up until week 9. There isn't any in week 10 or 11. Week 12 you can transition into some transitional supplements, but in week 10 and 11 you do an HCl challenge, which essentially is testing your hydrochloric acid. So again, you need hydrochloric acid to digest your food. So if your stomach is low and it's not producing in it, you're gonna have a hard time. So you're gonna do like this test to kind of see like where you're at now. And if you still need some help, then you will take an HCl supplement. That's the only supplement you'll take during this phase. I guess you could call it step 4. And that's week 10 and 11. And then you kind of wean yourself off because, again, you want your body to learn. You want to re-educate it during this entire process of how to produce its own enzymes, how to produce its own hydrochloric acid, how to feed on the good bacteria, right? So we are resetting everything. So that'll be week 10, 11. Then week 12 is just a transition and move into the 80-20 diet, right? So our life happens, and we're there to celebrate and to enjoy and to take care of our bodies, which are a temple, but we are also there to enjoy ourselves. So you can move on to an 80-20 diet. This diet is not to be for forever. It's just temporary during this cleanse, during this detox, during this empowering time to really take care of your body, of your liver, of your pancreas, of your stomach, of your intestines, of your GI tract, of your brain, just all encompassing. So that'll be my close for this supplement video, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.